Now use this Coca-Cola. The clutch drag is often a problem on the KTM bikes, so the biggest problem is when you use the lever like this, the bike is still going forward, so in some situations it can be really dangerous. So the next thing what is problem, it's not easy to find the neutral gear because it's always pulling you forward. And the last thing is it's not easy to push the bike when you use the clutch and when the bike is off. So I'm going to show you example. Finding neutral. And now pushing the bike. Yeah, it's possible, but it's not that easy how it's supported to be. So I'm going to show you the trick how to fix this problem. So first what you need to do is to remove this protection cover, and let's do it. Now you have problem with this pedal for the rear brake. You need press the rear one caliper, and now you have space so now you need to remove these 6 bolts. They are holding the pressure plate. On these 6 bolts you can adjust the pressure. You have 3 different positions. So now it's in middle, it's in the stock. Now I'm going to explain you how the clutch is working. So when you start the bike, the piston is going up and down, making the rotation power. That power is going on the basket. The basket is this outside thing what is holding this plate. So you can see this plate is only held from outside. Then you need transfer that rotation power to this disc. So this disc is attached from inside only. So you see it's attached just from inside, and that power is then transmitted then to this inner hub. Inner hub is attached to transmission, then transmission to sprocket, chain, and then the wheel. So in that way you transfer power from piston to rear wheel. You have too much friction between these 2 parts. You have disc. So this disc is sharp from outside, and from this side it's not. So outside is sharp one. So make sure you know how you remove it. Now use this Coca-Cola. So now leave it for like 20 minutes and then check it back. So now you need use sandpaper to fix it. Also make sure the sandpaper is also wet. And when you use the sandpaper, do it in circle. So do it same for other plates, and then clean it and install it in the bike. I am going to install it back, so the plate is going first, then the disc with S mark on the front, now you need to install these things. If you cleaned also the plates, then you need to use some transmission oil between this disc and plate. I hope this fix is going to work also for you, because for me it's working without any problems. So my dragging with the clutch is fixed now. So leave in comments what you think about this Coca-Cola fix for the clutch plates.